wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you know what time it is. We are talking about the latest makeup releases this month. So if you want to see all those, then let's go. So would it really be a video like this if there was not a new Colourpop launch available now? The new Cabana Club collection is available at Ulta. The Liz McGuire collection is also available. I see an eyeshadow palette. Those look like eyeliners and then some lip products. No. It's always weird when there are palettes where it looks like they couldn't decide if they wanted to be colorful or if they wanted to keep it neutral, so they were like, let's do both. Okay, we'll have some pops of color in there and then some neutrals, and then you'll figure out what you're supposed to do with the rest of the eye look. So no to this one. Again, the packaging is cute for this. The eyeliners, whatever those are on the side, those look cute, but no. And the lip products, no. So I'll just keep going. There's a new collab. Lethal Cosmetics is collaborating with Teresa is Dead for their new Lethal is Dead collection launching tomorrow, 6/26. This is past. So I see an eyeshadow palette. No. Again, a lot of, questions come up with, like, what was the thought process with these colors? This is looking a little more pastel-y, but I think what's weird sometimes with makeup companies is that they'll create palettes and you look at the palette and you're like, okay, but like, what am I really doing with these colors as far as eyeshadow goes? Because they might assume, like you're someone who already has a variety of eyeshadow palettes. So if you don't have the colors that you might need for a full eyeshadow look in this one palette, you probably already have a palette that has this, that, and the third. But it's like, everyone doesn't work that way. Like, what if this is your first... You got to look at everything kind of like that. Like, what if this is your first eyeshadow palette? This is all you got. This is what you can use to make your eyeshadow looks with. It's just like, what are you pairing some of these colors with to get some looks? Now, of course, everyone is different, but some people, they just want a palette. It's just one place. I ain't got to go to anything else to find things that'll work for me. So the palette, the colors in it, individually are nice, like all together. It's not giving me much of anything. And those look like eyeliners on the side, which the green and the blue, actually the gray, all the colors of the liners, gel liners are dope. I'm at a point where I'm not going to buy that. So let me just go ahead and swipe on. Moving on, available now, Tresloose Beauty. This is the one by Becky G, right? You guys didn't know Becky G is launching a makeup I'm pretty sure this one is, that's hers. The first debut collection is the Becky Made Me Do It collection, which includes I Am palettes, Like an Artist eye brush set, 3 Intenso liners, 3 sets of Illusion premium lashes. No. The eyeshadow palette, again, it's just giving those, like, we're just gonna throw colors in here. The lashes, no. The brushes, I do like, kind of dual side brushes like that, but still no. Yikes, this one is off to a rough start. Okay, and it's not gonna get any better with this one. Let's see, coming soon, the Waterproof Mascara by Wayne Goss will be launching exclusively at Beautylish on Tuesday, June 29th, 10 a.m. It's mascara. I have not tried anything from Wayne Goss's line. This is not gonna make me start, so let me just okay, see, look, we had to find something in this video that like made us somewhat excited. Available now, Kayali has a new fragrance called New Utopia Vanilla Cocoa 21 at Huda Beauty Shop. I already bought this. Okay, I already bought it the day that it launched. The only thing is, it's only the 50 milliliter. I think the sizes that I've shown in other videos are 100, and those retail for $118. This one is 50 milliliters and it retails for $100. So I don't know if they're like changing the largest size that they offer with their fragrances, or if they are going to come out with one later on, because that feels like a weird price difference. You get, I think, 100 milliliters, I think, for $118, and now you get 50 for 100. So I don't know if they do. I will probably buy it. I told y'all this is one of those fragrance companies where I will buy a new fragrance without smelling it in person first. Vanilla Coat, like, it just sounds right up my alley, so I will keep you updated when I finally get it in person. But yeah, I did buy it. Okay, something else from Colourpop. Their new Lush Life collection is here. 12-pan palette, 3 luxe glosses, 3 cheek dew serums, and 3 cream gel liners. This one is more interesting than the first one that we saw, but still no, I would not get this. No, I'm looking at the entire collection. Ooh, well, that green liner. Does it come separately, or is it like a set type? That green liner is the only thing that's making me question this. The rest of the collection, no. Available now, Fenty Beauty's new Gloss Bomb Heat is here. I'm wearing it in this video, so not would I buy it. I did buy it. That's what it's, if you're wondering what the color is, that is it. Even if, you know, I had filmed this video before buying it, the answer would have been yes, because if it's a new gloss bomb color, I just have to have it. That's where we are. It's one of my favorite glosses. So if there's a new gloss bomb, I'm gonna get it. Ooh, what is this? All right, available now, NYX Cosmetics new Can't Stop, Won't Stop mattifying powder. This is their first all-day matte and smooth powder infused with oil-absorbing rice powder. Yeah, actually, I think I got this in the mail. I believe I got I haven't opened my PR packages. I believe I'm assuming it's this in the mail because I don't see anything else new coming out from NYX. So, but even if I didn't get it if it's not in that package, would I buy this? Yeah, I would. Y'all know Born to Glow is my like holy grail foundation. They did have the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, which if you have oily skin, and you know, Born to Glow is not for you well, I mean, I have oily skin, but you know, there are still people who are like, I don't even want to risk it. I've got oily skin. Born to Glow, it's not mattifying. So if you do want something a lot more mattifying, that's a lot more affordable, they do have Can't Stop, Won't Stop. It is a matte foundation, okay, matte, especially like my people in the Caribbean, like below the equator, stuff like that. Matte foundation, that might be one for you to check out. So because I love Born to Glow, which, you know, is not as matte, and this one is supposed to be a mattifying powder, I would definitely check this one out, right? I see shades I can use. Well, there's a translucent shade as well. Shades I can use, you know, to set my concealer like in the center of my face, and then shades I can use like an all over type thing. So I might pick up both to see which way I like it better. But yeah, I'm buy this powder if it's not in my PR packages. Available now, Maybelline launched their new Instant Age Rewind Instant Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup, and it's available online at Ulta Beauty. Maybelline's first 4-in-1 makeup for a perfected glow look that primes, conceals, highlights, and even skin tone with light coverage. Available in five self-adjusting. You know, I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it today. Let's see. New brand alert. Vanessa Hudgens and Madison Beer, that's how you say her last name, right? Created new skincare brand We Are No Beauty in partnership with Chief Medical Officer Dr. Karen Kay to build a smarter way for people to know their skin. It's available now on their website. A more intelligent skincare routine shaped by your DNA and lifestyle factors. No is the first brand to combine your DNA and daily habits to create your ideal routine. Both founders have different skincare journeys, but they share one common goal. Skincare shouldn't be trial and error. It should be based on what's right. Okay, so I'm gonna call this Dr. Karen K's brand, right? And they're just having Vanessa and Madison as like the faces of this brand, let's be honest. I mean, it sounds, you know, interesting, like skincare based on your DNA and not trial and error. This is definitely one of those, I'm gonna have to see like someone else try it first. I am technically supposed to be that person for y'all, but like sometimes even I need that, right? I need someone else to be the person who's gonna take the risk and check it out for themselves. But you know, depending on what people say, I'm not canceling it out. I'm just at a point where I'm like, someone else try it first. Okay, full look at Skincare by Hyram's new brand Selfless by Hyram, launching online and in Sephora stores on 6/24. I actually saw this in store already. It was on display as soon as you walk into Sephora. I was like, oh, it's already in store, because I had heard that he was coming out with his brand. I just didn't think it would be that quickly, you know, launched. If you don't know who Hyram is, he is a skincare influencer on YouTube, and I think like mainly on TikTok or something like that. And he has his own skincare line now. They have the Repair Serum, a support moisturizer, exfoliating serum, a gel cleanser, which, I mean, they're priced like $30, $26, $24, $20. this is another one of those, like, I'm gonna let, you know, other people test it out first. And then if there's something that someone can put me onto, then you put me onto it. But I'm gonna let y'all test that one out first. Okay, first look at Morphe Brush's new Glow Stunner Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer, $18, launching on their website and in Morphe stores on July 8th and Ulta Beauty on July 11th. This ultimate multitasker with clean, skin-nourishing ingredients delivers SPF 30 protection and a hydrating, skin-perfecting glow in 15 tints. Anyway, I didn't try out that other new foundation that Morphe had because I asked if you guys wanted a video on it, and a majority of the comments said no. So I'm going to ask again if you guys want a video on this tinted moisturizer, and I'll go off the response that I get in the comments down below. But it says benefits SPF 30, hydrates for up to 24 hours, sheer natural glowy finish. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like a video on this. Okay, full look. A Dose of Colors has collaborated with Disney again. I didn't know they did it the first time. This time for their new Donald Duck and Daisy Duck special edition collection, launching on 6/23 at 8 a.m. So the collection includes Donald and Daisy eyeshadow and bronzer palette, Donald and Daisy false lashes, Donald Duck velvet mousse lipstick, Daisy Duck stay glossy lip gloss. Give me that lip liner. No, the colors of this are just giving colors I wouldn't wear like that. You know, cute of course because of the Donald and Daisy connection there. I am someone, like, sometimes you gonna get me on packaging, not really makeup. They did get me on that Miss Piggy collection, if y'all saw that video. Not usually makeup, like fragrances, clothing, stuff like that. You can get me on packaging. This one has very cute packaging, but this is another one of those, you know what I was saying about Colourpop, when you open it and see what it looks like on the inside, just kind of like, oh, okay, that's how I'm feeling on this one. So no, I would not buy this. Okay, this one I did buy and I already posted a video on it. Available now, e.l.f. Cosmetics' new putty bronzer is now online at Ulta Beauty. This putty to powder bronzer has a buildable formula with a semi-matte finish to give you a natural bronze or soft contour for the perfect sun-kissed glow. I actually have one of the shades on the back of my hand right now. So this is the Cabana Cutie shade from the e.l.f. putty primers right here. Go check that video out if you have not seen it and you want to know more about these. So this, again, not a would I buy it, I did buy it, and I do like these if you want to go check them out. I think they're $6. If you didn't see, I did do a downfall video on Kayali Cosmetics. A lot of people put it out after the video that I didn't mention the lawsuit that she's in. I didn't mention it because the lawsuit is still pretty recent, and the company was falling off, you know, before she even sold it. So I didn't mention that. But if you didn't know, she is being sued for, you know, alleging giving away secrets, giving away formulas, stuff like that. So that is probably a reason why they are in the process of rebranding. They did wipe their Instagram, their social media accounts. They wiped the website. Everything that they have is on sale and they're pretty much giving away at Ulta. So they announced that they have a new launch coming under this like rebrand thing. I had the picture pop up here. That looks, you know, not rebranded, right? You look at it and you're like, okay, that looks like what I would expect to see from Kayali Cosmetics, from the design, the logo, the little drip, to the colors. You know, you can expect pinks, nudes, reds, you know, some purple, make it a little different. But it says new Kayali Cosmetics lip kits coming soon, described as lightweight, smudge resistant with an 8-hour wear. It's giving me the same as what the brand already had, so I wouldn't expect, you know, too much from this rebrand. If anything, they're probably reformulating because of the formulas and stuff like that, so that in this lawsuit they can say like our formula is nothing like what you're alleging we stole. But you know, this is what it looks like. And if you are interested in Kayali Cosmetics, I'm letting you know they have new lip kits coming soon. Okay, and look at that. We can end this video on a bang because available now, the new Makeup Revolution Bratz makeup collection is here. What's available? The Revolution Bratz eyeshadow palette, Chloe eyeshadow palette, Jade eyeshadow palette. There's like one large eyeshadow palette. I've been getting questions on if I'm going to do a video on this collection. Of course, I'm going to do a video on this collection because one, it's Bratz related, and y'all know, like, I've done several videos now, you know, transforming myself into a Bratz doll. So one, it's Bratz related. I'm here for it. Two, it's one of those, you know, collaborations that makes sense. It makes sense for Makeup Revolution to do this. It makes sense for Bratz to do this. When you look at the palettes, the outside, the insides. It's giving Bratz. The actual color stories in these. Hello, I'm looking at the Sasha and the Jade one. Listen, the lip products, I think there's like a clear gloss in this as well. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna do a video on this collection. So would I buy it? Yes, look at that. We can end the video with me confidently saying, yes, I would buy something. So that is it for this video. This month felt really brutal, but the collections are just not giving, but they're supposed to give. But there were some things that, look, I already bought. I already did videos, or videos are coming soon on them. And I think, you know, the Bratz one, I think it's the only one I haven't bought yet, but it's coming, right? So I hope seeing this has helped. If you didn't know what collections are coming out, you're getting some of my thoughts on what I would pick up, what I wouldn't, and why. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any new launches I didn't cover in this video that you want to let me know about, or how you feel about the ones that I did mention in this video. Let me know all that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah, 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 yeah.